Okay, hello Cloud Gurus and welcome to this lecture. So hopefully you're learning an awful lot in the course so far and you're starting to understand how complicated AWS is. Now Heraclitus of Ephesus was an ancient Greek philosopher and he once famously said, "Everything changes and nothing stands still." And as you start learning AWS, you're going to realize how much it changes all of the time. There's literally thousands of new product updates and releases each year and can be really, really hard to keep up. Now we have a web series called AWS This Week, which is basically a weekly show discussing all the new updates to AWS for the week. It's 5 minutes or less, so it won't take a lot of your time. And we have an explain it like I'm five approach. So if something really complicated comes out, we'll try and break it down and help you understand what it is and what it means to you as either a solutions architect, a developer, a sysadmin, or a business leader, or whatever it is in whatever role that you do. So it's the best way to stay up to date with AWS and all the constant changes. The link is below. It's either on our YouTube channel or you can subscribe through the A Cloud Guru website. It is seriously the best way to stay up to AWS. And like I said, it's 5 minutes or less each week. So make sure you check it out and keep being awesome. Let's go on to the next lecture. Thank you.